There's one brother of mine who said that in Ukambani they know how to do beekeeping. I am a Mkamba, married here. And when I came here, I realized that people didn't know how precious the bees are. In fact, Sefa found me when I was trying to purchase the hives. I already have one, sorry, by that time I had only 3. And when I heard about this program, I was really, really excited. It's a really good thing. Dr. Rogers, thank you very much. Thank you. You people, I wish you know what beekeeping is. My father is a beekeeper. It is very, very, very precious and earns you a lot of money while doing nothing. And I just want to request him if you can extend the program and more hives. Because I know with more hives, my life will be easy. Kindly, if it is possible, we need more and more. And for Sefa, we really thank God for you. You really brought a program that will change this area. I just want to request you if you can probably have somebody to follow up on the farmers, maybe to be checking. If they are doing something wrong, they can tell us now, do this way. And with that, I am sure we are going far. Very sure.